So this Samsung phone has a 90Hz Super AMOLED display, a big 6000 mAh battery, a 50 megapixel triple camera setup, and up to 4 years of major Android updates and 5 years of security updates, in all just around 12,000 rupees with offers of course. And this is the all new Samsung budget phone, the F15. Now design wise it has the same Samsung signature look, a plastic unibody design, and yes, this old looking notch, but at least it's a Super AMOLED this time. So yeah, it has a 6.5 inch Full HD plus 90Hz display instead of the old TFT panel, and it feels smooth for most part, but yes, the display looks really good for the price. It is now powered by the Dimensity 6100 Plus processor instead of any Exynos processor, and for most use cases this processor is a very capable one. Yes, don't expect it to give the best gaming experience, but for normal tasks and even casual gaming every once in a while, it can give you up to 30 to 40 FPS on games like BGMI or Call of Duty, which is okay at best. Now the cameras are a bit improvement, where you now have a 50 megapixel primary shooter and also a 5 megapixel ultra wide angle camera, and obviously the unwanted 2 megapixel macro lens and a 13 megapixel front selfie camera. And the primary sensor is a really good one for the price, be it in photos or in videos. It can go up to 1080p 30 fps on both the front and the rear cameras, but overall, be it in daylight or low light, it gets the job done. The ultra wide on the other hand takes okay photos when you have ample of lights, but yes, don't try to use it at low light situations, and the selfie shooter also takes decent enough photos and videos. The phone has a massive 6000 mAh battery that supports up to 25 watts of fast charging. That takes around 1 hour 20 to 30 minutes for a full charge from 0%, but yes, you don't have the charger in the box. There was an offer going on for early adopters where you could get a brand new 25 watt charger at just 300 rupees, but not sure if the offer is still available or not. The best and a bit concerning part is the software support this budget phone is getting. This comes out of the box with Android 14 and with One UI 6 with the Knox security support, but mainly it gets 4 years of major Android updates and up to 5 years of security patches, which is unmatched in this price range or even higher. But also I'm not quite sure how well this processor could handle future Android updates like from 2 years from now. But again, it's like an option given to you. If you don't feel like upgrading due to some concerns, then don't, but it's good to at least have that option. Now it has two variants available on Flipkart, the 4/128GB which is priced normally around 12,999 rupees, and the 6GB/128GB at 14,499 rupees, and with some offers the 4GB variant could come down to 11,999 and also 1,000 off with some card discounts. But the main question is, should you buy this at these prices? Well, for your parents or grandparents it's a really good option, but I would recommend the 6GB variant if you don't have any budget issues. But again, if you want to give them something branded or having the best performance isn't an issue, because even though it's a good phone at around its 6GB price, we have other options too, like the Samsung M34 or the F34, which just comes down to around 15,000 in sales, and even though it has an Exynos processor, be it cameras or performance or even the Moto G54, if software updates isn't really a concern for you. So did you like this new phone, and would you consider this for yourself or for your parents? Let me know, and see you guys.